Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. Today we have the all-new Mahindra Emax 20s hydrostatic tractor with a factory glass cab with factory heat, factory front lights, wiper, and a nice big old front snowblower on the front here. This is a 48-inch front snowblower, which is a nice feature for this Emax 20. Previously, all the Mahindra Emax series were only available with 56-inch blowers, which sometimes was too wide for guys doing sidewalks and stuff. So this 48-inch blower just cuts your width down a little bit on this particular unit. This 48-inch blower will be available on other tractors as well. They'll be coming out with that soon here, so you can get the sidewalk width that you want. On this blower, we'll talk about this for a minute. Basically, this blower is made by Belchertown for Mahindra. Very good quality units. They make a lot of snow equipment, all in Canada, very heavy built. This is a perfect snow blower. You'll have shear pins, 2 shear pins in this setup right here, one on each side of the auger to replace if something does go wrong with it. Your gearbox there. This is PTO driven, no belts to worry about. It's all PTO driven, and it's a mid PTO. It's not going to the rear of the tractor. It's going right to the mid of the section of the transmission and hook it to a PTO. This setup, normally with a non-cab, this snowblower will come with a handle that you turn to shoot this snow left to right. However, every time we sell this with a cab, we set it up, and the only way to set it up is with these 2 electric solenoid setups, basically, and electric motors. What happens is you have a joystick in the cab, which we're going to show you, which will deflect the snow up and down, and also side to side control this. That way you never have to get out of the cab to mess around with any of these chutes or anything. Also, your loader joystick for your loader will operate the lift and lower on this snowblower, which we're going to go over in a minute as well, through this lift cylinder connected to some lines going to your valving up front. Skid shoes on the side, I think I already mentioned that, which you can drop down a little bit, and they are replaceable. There is some side skirt extensions that you can add on. There's a couple different options that are optional equipment to add on to make this the perfect machine for you. It comes with a little scraper to scrape out in here, so you never touching your fingers in there, because Lord knows you never want to put your fingers inside the auger. Never know what's going to happen. If you want to pop off this snowblower, you can certainly do that. It's very simple to pop on and off. You basically got a big old 2 pull pins right here, one on this side, one on the other side, and then your PTO shaft underneath. And then you're going to keep half of the frame is going to stay with the tractor, and half of basically the head and the back, the front frame is going to stay with the snowblower when you pop it off. So basically just 2 pins, 2 hydraulic lines, and that's pretty much it to take on and off this blower. It can be done in about 5 minutes or less. Not a hard hassle. And also, you're going to see that you have a loader frame set up on here. 99% of the time, these people that want this cab are going to buy this tractor with the front loader and the snowblower. If they're buying the snowblower, they're going to buy the loader. Reason is because when you add up the parts for the valving that you need for this snowblower, for the loader valve, it's over basically what the loader price is. So you buy the loader. I tell everybody, you almost get it for nothing at that point. This is hydrostatic drive, 2-range transmission, low and high. Industrial tires, turf tires, or ag tires, all option on this tractor. It is the same price no matter what tire choice you choose. Cab mirrors on both sides so you can see what's going on back of you. Front cab lights, front wiper. Easy access to service this unit. I mean, very easy access. Comes right to the front right there, and it's pretty much it to service this unit. You don't really have to do too much of anything to service it as far as taking off panels. Pretty much just slides up. Engine oil filter right there, engine oil dipstick right there, engine oil fill right there, engine fuel filter right there, radiator fill right here, air filter right here. This is a 3-cylinder Yanmar motor, 19.5 horse at the motor. So as you can see, I mean, we just went over 80% of the servicing on this tractor in a 2-foot radius. Front axle fills right here, and checkpoint, and dipstick, so that's all right there. Drain is on the bottom of the front axle. We'll come to the back real quick, and then we'll start it up and show inside the cab. Back here, you got Category 1 3-point hitch with your 2 side pieces and top piece, PTO, and you can hook a D-ring or something like that into the framing to pull logs or whatever you want out of the woods. This back window does open, and it does come with a rear work light as well, which is, you know, actuating. You can mess with that. I'm going to open up the cab here, and we'll kind of go over some of the different pieces inside the cab. I'm going to go to the other side while you're looking in here. So inside this cab, you're going to notice what we got here. Basically, this is, I'll turn on the key here so we can see, and we'll turn off the vents here. So basically, we're going to look at that chute here. This joystick controls that chute going up and down, just like that. And then side to side controls that, which is pretty slick, so you never have to get outside your cab. Next, we got this, which is going to lift and lower your snowblower. Throttle right here. Your front window does come open, and you can lock it open, just like that, so you can get some breeze in there if you want. Lock it back down. Glow plugs on this unit, front headlights on this unit to see what's going on. Armrests on the seat, really comfortable seat. Low and high range, four-wheel drive on and off, 3-point hitch control, forward and reverse pedal right here. So this will go over the forward and reverse pedal. It's basically what you got: a forward here, reverse here. This little piece here, you press in and lock your parking brake over there. This tractor can come optional with a mid-mount mower as well, which is a great option. And comes mid PTO and rear PTO standard. So this is your swap out from PTOs. And you got a grab handle, get in on this side. As I mentioned, this rear window opens right up when you don't have the 3-point hitch arm on the top there. Just can open it all the way up. All your heating control and elements and lighting of the cab is all integrated up here, and it's kind of indented, so you got some room for your head up there if you're one of those tall guys. I'm going to come around the other side and hop in it and start it up and just run it for a minute for you guys to get a quick demo. Unfortunately, we got a snowstorm last week, but we didn't have this set up in time, and we're not expected to get snow for a few more weeks. So we're just going to start up. I'll start the snowblower. You're not going to see any snowblower in action, but there is some videos. There's one video Mahindra did on this snowblower in action, so you can physically see it so far. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty nice unit. This is the first one of these we have sold. This is the newest Emax 20 model that's just came out this year. We just got these cabs in a couple months ago, a handful of months ago, and we got more in stock, and we got more of the blowers in stock for this winter. We're stocked up, ready to go. If we can help you out, this is going to be an amazing machine with a really good price point for all you guys trying to do sidewalks or homeowners doing some small driveways and stuff like that. It's really an amazing setup, all in the comfort of a cozy cab with heat, all glass cab. So Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. If I can help you out on any Mahindra products or any tractor needs, give us a call at 413-253-5456. Visit us on our website at www.orchardhillsales.net or email us at info@orchardhillsales.com. This unit's got a 7-year warranty, can't be beat, and it's just an unbelievable snow machine. Thanks, guys. Take care.